and Ligaria is before the Agia Pelagia. It's a small little beach, seaside village. It has just a few residents and people living here, not many people, and it's not so far away from Heraklion. It's like about 8 or 9-ish kilometers away, and this is a perfect place if you were not into so much like busy stuff and crazy stuff, and you like to be at the beach and have some fun and clean water. As you can see how the sea is here, windy and stormy. Look at this, how stormy it is here and how calm it's there. So even in the windy days, if you come to Ligaria, it's less branded and less populated than Agia Pelagia, but this is such a good place. I highly recommend if you are looking for a quieter place, like to be with the kids and with family and have some privacy and peace of mind and brain, and not face high energetic people. So this is your place. So now I will be taking a walk to show you in details how it is, and if you want to visit this place or not. And please let me know your thoughts if you have ever been here. Write a comment, other people will read and they will also know your experience, and I will also know. So in the very beginning of the beach we have this very beautiful place area where you can sit, bring your own stuff. I will not go there because at any moment it can get windy and the wave can hit me, so I don't want to get wet. So you can sit here. It has these umbrellas and it has these seats already built, very nice, very classic. You can sit here and drink, especially in the evening time. It would have been so beautiful to sit here. And we have some other seats here as well where you can sit and you can propose, or maybe just read a book, or maybe whatever, make a call, read a book. It's your life, whatever you want to do. And my first video shot by drone and uploaded to YouTube was from here. Yeah, sir. How much does it cost, one sunbed and one umbrella? €5. Okay, okay. So I have asked the lady this, if you would sit in this umbrella and use sit on the sunbed and use the umbrella, it's going to cost €5, which is not bad. In some places I have noticed it costs around €20, and if I am not wrong, in Elafonisi it was €10 for the something, so totally it was like €10. Well, that's Elafonisi and that's worth it. So here in this area we have this parking, a small little parking, but you can also park like along the road. If you're lucky you can find parking, but here in this place, this half of the parking belongs to this taverna, which is Ligaria Taverna, restaurant and taverna. They have some tables up there, which is also really nice. And yeah, you can park here. If you're lucky you will find parking. So I came that way. And in this, from here we have these buildings, these houses. It possibly could be a villa or a taverna, or I'm not sure if it's a personal house. And yeah, it could be at an Airbnb. Yes. And in this section of the beach, you see, it's not being used by any businesses, so you can bring your tent here and you can bring your towel. And it's the way I am right now feeling, and the sun, the sun is not that harsh that you would feel uncomfortable. So from the mid-August then going to September and November, the weather is getting really optimized for a good time. I see. And please hit the like button if you like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any thoughts yet, please let me know in the comment section. And if you have any recommendations, and if you know any secret places, please let me know, because I will go there and I will make videos out of those places and share it with you and share it with the world. Okay, so we have here a diving center as well. I don't know how it works, if it is open or if it is closed, but this is a diving center. And we have a Baywatch. And there are some numbers that you can call in case if you have any emergencies. And once again, it's a very chill place. In this place, which is in my background, mostly locals are coming to drink coffee and to get chill on Sundays and Mondays, on Saturdays and Sundays. Okay. It's kind of, for me, every day is a holiday, so I sometimes get confused with the days. Anyways, Saturdays and Sundays. Also, this place is being loved by the locals. And this place, this is like a small little book shelter, or let's say call it library, or like a book storage, where if you are familiar with the language, Greek language, we have books in Greek language, we have books in English language, and probably we are going to have some books in German as well, in Russian as well. And if you want to bring any books to support this place, this area, then why not? Please bring a book, write your name, write your Instagram so the people can recognize who did it. Yeah, you can also support this book reading community by leaving a book there. Not now, hopefully next year I will try to participate in some of these activities because I will be able to. And as you can see, here in this area there are many boats. The boats are for rent, and you can rent one of these boats, and the boat will take you for a trip around these places like Made, which is another beach behind this, before the Ligaria. If sometime I found the time, I will go there. It's such a small beach with a tavern and everything. It's such a beautiful place. So you will see, you will be able to see, and maybe it will take you to the in front of Amudara and some places. But if it will go left, it will you can see Bali on some other places. So if you have the money, then probably you should not hesitate to rent one of these boats and go. If I would have, oh, and they are like also so strong and smooth, they are like flying, I can see over there. Sometime whenever I have the money, then I will also rent one and I will make a video. And by now you can also understand and feel somewhat that what type of place Ligaria is. And if you think that it is a place for you, then please leave a comment and let me know that you want to visit this place. That's how I can understand that how much impact I have to help you. Lieber? It sounds to me German. Lieber. Okay, so this is this tropic, I don't know, this bohemian. Please correct me and let me know what it is. This tropical style of bar, restaurant, not restaurant, a bar, coffee shop where you can drink and eat, and also have this wonderful view in front of you. Just look how beautiful it is. and really calm. And if you would walk, you can just go there, and there is this stop for the boats where you can get into the boat if you don't want to swim, and also take some pictures. And if you would go up from there, there is also a spot, a place where you can take pictures. So yeah, this was it for Ligaria. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any thoughts, once again, please let me know in the comments section. And until the next time, peace.